Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to see how to run EIGRP routing protocol on Cisco routers. So for this lab, we took 4 routers, R1, R2, and R3 and R4. First of all, we will run them all. I have already written down the IP addresses and loopback addresses for each router. And what we will do now, we will just open the consoles of all routers. First, we will take R1. We'll just simply copy as I mentioned, I wrote it down the all IP addresses on Notepad, and then I'm just simply copy and paste on the console of each router. Same way we will assign the IP addressing on all routers, and then we will move next to the EIGRP. You have to do this for all routers. So in R1 we have two interfaces, one connecting towards R2 and other connecting towards R3. So to configure the EIGRP, all you have to do is write a router EIGRP. Let's say we will name it 123. This is AS number. The AS number should be same on the all routers. So we'll do here router EIGRP AS number 123, and then we will type network 192.168.2.0, which is router 2 connectivity, and the next is router 3 connectivity. On R2, first we will check that all our interfaces IP addressing is correct, and then all interfaces are up. So next step, router EIGRP 123 network 192.168.12.0, and then other is 24.0, which is connecting towards R4, and network 20.0.0.0, which is our loopback 1. Here is R3. I maximize it. Okay, here we have only two interfaces which we have to, here we have only two network which we have to advertise. So router EIGRP 123 network 192.168.13.0 and network 30.0.0.0, and enter. Done. Now if we run show IP route, and here you will see now this is R1 and R2, this is R1 and R3. This is our local directly connected interface. This is router 2 loopback address. This is our local loopback address, which is connected, showing connected over there. And this is R1 loopback, and this is R3 loopback. After running EIGRP on all routers, all you need to do is just open console of each router, type the show IP route command, and check the output of routing table. You must get the all network which we advertise in EIGRP one by one on each router. So that's it for today. I tried to minimize the time of this video and show you guys the exact process how to run the EIGRP. First we start with the IP addressing scheme, and then how to run the EIGRP. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.